We believe that a truly user-friendly kitchen is one with a short cooking flow line. You can cook without moving a single step and you won't get tired. That is the idea of a zero-flow kitchen. Zero flow line shortens the flow line in the kitchen by integrating the cooking space with the sink, making cooking work easier. In order to achieve this zero flow line, cooking is completed in the sink. In addition to basic tasks such as washing food and cutting vegetables, the Parallelo sink allows you to do a variety of other cooking tasks in the sink. Also, by bringing the stove and sink closer together, it makes it easier to move to the sides. Furthermore, the cooking is completed in the sink, and you can even serve food in the sink. With its wide, deep, three-dimensional sink structure, even fish scales do not escape from the sink, and food prepared in the sink can be simply placed into the frying pan or pot. Dishes to be washed can be stored in the sink while other cooking tasks are being performed without the hassle of a narrow sink. Parallelo has a cooking table inside the sink, so the outside of the sink is not contaminated and cooking can be done smoothly and comfortably. This is Parallelo Sink, which achieves the ultimate zero flow line that is recognized by cooking professionals. Please visit a showroom near you to see this attraction.